Hello everyone. So if you think that your PC is working slowly and if you think that your PC's condition is very bad, then it is lags every time and the program and the application has not performing perfectly. So this video is for you. So I'm going to show you that how you can maintain your computer's health condition by using some tricks. So for doing that, firstly you need to go open the CMD. Okay, go to Windows bar, then CMD. Okay, open it as run as administrator. Okay, click on yes. So now we have opened the CMD as an administrator view. So firstly, the first command you need to do is winget upgrade, and then hit enter. Okay, sorry, the spell is wrong. Winget upgrade. Okay, then hit enter. Okay, it will take some time, so you have to wait for some time. So do you agree to all the source agreement terms? Yes. Why? Hit enter. Okay, so these are the programs that I use on my Windows. As you can see, then some of the versions are so many backdated in my system. So as you can see that the version, some of the application version is the previous version in my system. So I'm going to upgrade all the systems. So for doing that, you need to write the command winget upgrade space / all. Then hit enter. So now as you can see that they are showing that 5 upgrades available. So now CMD will upgrade all the programs of my computer, and then it will automatically increase my computer performance, and it will help us to remove the lags and hacking in our computer. So for the, as you can see that downloading the upgraded version in my system. So for you can do the same what I did in the video. So as you can see, it is 172 MB. It is upgrading. So all the programs has been successfully upgraded in my systems now. So after doing that, you will get a fast and well improved performance in your system, and you will not see the lags and all, and application hanging everything. So I hope this video will help you to increase your performance of the computer, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.